Hi, we are at Chauri in Ranipur Tiger Reserve right now. Such a lovely place. It's a Chauri rest house, forest rest house. It's a Chauri grassland out here, and we are gonna do a very complex system out here. We are doing two solar systems out here. One is there is a borewell out there. So the whole idea out here is that this grassland has got less water here. In summers there is no water out here. So we are doing a complex system out here. I'll show you, Neeraj, if you can show at the back, that side. If you see that top of the plateau, so we are gonna give water at that top. So there is no water actually on the top of the plateau and behind it, and all the animals here, they migrate out from here to nearby villages in summers. So this is the whole idea, that we want to give water there. It is very complex. So what we are planning to do is, we have done two solar systems here. One is from the borewell at Chauri rest house. We are gonna give water to this natural tank or a well out here, because this dries up generally in summer. So we will be giving water to this. This will be always filled, and from here we are putting another bigger system and giving the water to the top of the plateau, and there we'll be filling a water body, and from the overflow of that water body, the water will actually percolate down to a nala down there, and will actually feed the system out there. So we want to actually create a line of water bodies, so the nala will actually be fed through the water bodies, the overflow of the water body, and that way the entire area 3 to 4 kilometers will be revived backside, and the top of the plateau will also be revived. A tiger was here a few months back staying in the top, but because of no water it left the place. So we are expecting the tiger would return here, and this time the tiger will actually stay here. हम लोग टैंक दे रहे हैं यहाँ के स्टाफ को पानी पीने के लिए, because they don't have a place to store water. Then they have trouble in the evening as well. So we have got a tank for them. So our solar system will fill this tank and rest of the water will go into the well. Neeraj, actually you should show the water level now because we took it in the morning. So now you can see the difference how much water it has filled. मक्खियों ने हमारी बैंड बजा दी है. हो गया क्या? देखा? अरे यार पानी साथ साथ आ गया. So this is what we are doing at Chauri. We are actually from the borewell filling up a big well, a tank out here. It's a natural tank or a well. This has some water at the base, but it generally, depletes. So this tank will actually, will be used as a tank for us. In this we have put a 3 HP motor, and from here we'll send the water to the top there, out there. Neeraj will show you the top there later. So we are actually filling the well, first of a kind that we are doing this time. Filling up a well from a borewell, and from here we are getting the water to the top of the hill.
जी.
क्या नाम है आपका?
अशोक सिंह.
मेरी तरफ देखिए बात करो. अशोक सिंह
जी.
क्या करते हो यहाँ पे?
यहाँ चौकीदारी कर रहा हूँ.
चौकीदारी करते हो चौरी FRH के अंदर
जी.
आप. तब ये बताओ अशोक कि आपके पास यहाँ पे पीने के पानी के लिए टंकी भी नहीं थी तो बड़ी दिक्कत होती होगी.
जी.
तो अब आपको टंकी दे दी है तो पानी रहेगा पीने के लिए.
जी.
अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं रहेगी.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं सर.
पहले आप बैटरी से चलाते थे तो यहाँ पे बैटरी खत्म हो जाती थी तो पानी भरने में दिक्कत थी.
जी.
तो अब यहाँ पे सोलर सिस्टम लगा दिया है तो पानी आएगा आपके लिए.
जी सर.
मुझे ये बताइए कि आपका जो यहाँ से कुआं भर रहे हैं
जी.
और कुआं से बाजार में ऊपर पानी दे रहे हैं 3 किलोमीटर.
जी.
रोज चलाएंगे आप?
रोज चलाएंगे.
और रोज भरेंगे उसको?
रोज भरेंगे.
ठीक है ना, क्योंकि आपका डायरेक्ट कुएं में पानी जा रहा है. आपको जब चाहिए आप खोल सकते हैं, बाकी पानी कुएं में तो जाएगा ही
जी
जाएगा.
सर.
कुआं पूरा भर जाए तो बंद कर दीजिएगा, नहीं तो कुआं को पूरा रहने दीजिए.
जी
मोटर
सर.
खाली नहीं चलनी चाहिए.
जी जी.
ठीक है,
ठीक है.
धन्यवाद.